Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import your Instagram username to WhatsApp. So when you are creating WhatsApp username, WhatsApp may suggest usernames from other Meta apps linked with your account, such as Instagram. This can save your time and help you keep the same username across different platforms. Keep in mind that this option only appears if you have connected your Instagram account with WhatsApp and if it's available for your account and your Instagram account is eligible. If you would like to use Instagram username in WhatsApp, then first open WhatsApp app. Now here switch to U tab. After that, click on this pencil icon at the top and here go to username. Now next, you will be prompted by the window where you know everything about username, and here you have three different options to create WhatsApp username. The first one is you can manually type the username you want to set in WhatsApp, and the other two are the username from your Instagram account and the username from your Facebook account. So you have to choose the second one, use your Instagram account, and just with one click you can able to set your Instagram username as your WhatsApp username too. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.